Want to unlock the secrets to a fully booked Airbnb and watch those bookings skyrocket? First, log into your Airbnb account and navigate to the Listings tab. Select the listing you want to apply discounts to. Click the Pricing tab. Next, scroll down until you see Discounts. You'll see options like Early Bird Discounts, Weekly Discounts, Monthly Discounts, and Last Minute Discounts. Let's start with Early Bird Discounts. Click on Early Bird Discounts. Here, you can set the percentage discount and how far in advance guests need to book to qualify. For example, offer a 5% discount for bookings made 30 days in advance. This incentivizes early planning. Now, let's look at weekly and monthly discounts. These are great for filling longer stays. Simply enter the percentage discount you want to offer for bookings of 7 nights or more for the weekly discount and 28 nights or more for the monthly discount. Finally, let's explore last minute discounts. This is your secret weapon for filling those empty dates. Set the percentage discount and the number of days before check-in that the discount applies. A 10% discount for bookings made within 3 days can work wonders. Once you've configured all your discounts, make sure to save your changes. Monitor your booking rates and adjust your discounts as needed to find the sweet spot. Now you're ready to attract more bookings and maximize your Airbnb income with these simple discount strategies.